You've never done Timpanogos?
Nope.
Me neither. This is along the Timpanooke trail to the peak of Mount Timpanogos.
Timpanooke.
That was our marriage disagreement at 2 a.m. driving up this morning.
The sun is just about to start, or to come out over the ridge.
Well, one sounds.
We're not quite halfway apparently. I'm feeling it. 50 years old is a little late for the first time to do this.
Oh no, maybe
Maybe it's just because I'm fat and old.
What does
I'm excited though.